Welcome to video lecture number 4, our cosmic home. We've discussed stars and their properties in the last 2 videos, but now I'd like to take a closer look at our star, the Sun. Where are we in the Milky Way galaxy, and how far is the Sun from the Earth compared to other stars in the Milky Way? Go ahead and pause the video and record the essential questions in your notes. Space is truly a huge place. In fact, it's still expanding. As far as we know, space contains almost everything, all time, matter, energy. It's filled with countless tiny particles, tremendous clouds of shimmering gases called nebula, and stars many times smaller and larger than the Sun. Large groups of stars moving together through space are called galaxies, as we saw in video 1. So where are we? Earth is the 3rd planet from our star, the Sun. A lot of times we get our solar system, the planets, including the Earth, that orbit our star, the Sun, confused with the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system, with the Sun at its center, is a tiny speck among numerous stars and is located in the Milky Way galaxy, which holds hundreds of thousands of stars. The Sun is just a medium-sized star that burns at an average temperature. Some stars are more than 150 times more massive than the Sun, and others have less than 1/10 of the mass of the Sun. You guys already know that galaxies have different shapes. Scientists think that the Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. We can't be quite sure because we're in it, and at 120,000 light years across, it's way too big for us to get out of it to take a picture. What we do know is that it is shaped like a large rotating disk with a central bulge, and there's good evidence that it is in fact a barred spiral galaxy. The spiral arms of the galaxy hold tremendous numbers of stars. Scientists think that the Sun and our solar system, including the Earth, lie in one of the galaxy's outer arms, right about here. It's sort of like we live way out in the galactic countryside. The big city is the galactic center of the Milky Way, located here. You see the Sun and other stars in the sky because of the light that they generate and emit during nuclear fusion at their core. The Sun is an average-sized star, but when we look at these bodies in the sky, we're actually looking into the past. That's because light from space takes a certain amount of time to reach Earth. Light is the fastest thing in the universe and travels at a speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second. The Sun lies at an average distance of about 150,000 kilometers from Earth. So light from the Sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the Earth. Therefore, when you see the Sun, you're seeing it as it was about 8 minutes ago. The stars beyond the Sun are much, much further away. The closest star to the Earth after the Sun is a star called Proxima Centauri. This star is 4.2 light years from the Earth. A light year is a unit equal to the distance light travels in 1 year. So if you spotted Proxima Centauri through a telescope, you would be seeing it as it was 4.2 years ago, because it's 4.2 light years away. The light took 4.2 years to travel the distance from Proxima Centauri to your telescope. There are 525,600 minutes in a year. Remember, it takes light 8 minutes to get from the Sun to the Earth, and 4.2 years to get from the nearest star to the Earth. If we do a little bit of math, that comes out to Proxima Centauri being about 65,000 times further away from the Earth than the Sun, and that's the closest star. Compared to the Sun, all other stars, even the closest stars, are immensely far away. Take a look at this scale model. If the Sun, our star, were the size of a tennis ball, then the Earth would be about the size of 1 grain of sand, located at a distance of about 19 feet from the Sun. Alpha Centauri, another star that is not much farther from the Earth than Proxima Centauri, would be about 890 miles away. That's like going from Chicago, Illinois to Boston, Massachusetts.